Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Raindrops falling on the ground, pitter patter, splash and sound. Boots go splash and coats go zip, drip drop drum a rainy trip. Rain, rain up so high, painting pictures in the sky. Clouds like pillows soft and gray, hiding sunshine far away. Rain, rain, hear us sing, yeah. We love the sound that raindrops bring. But just for now, we want to play, so please come back another day. The children peeked outside the door. Raindrops danced across the floor. They twirled umbrellas red and blue, and splashed in puddles one then two. Rain, rain, your fun, it's true. We like the games we play with you, but we still hope the sun will shine, so we can play and climb and dine. Rain said softly, don't be sad. I help the flowers, isn't that rad? I wash the trees and feed the streams, and make the world so fresh and clean. The children smiled and said, that's fair. Thank you, rain, for all your care. We'll wait inside and sing today, and you can shine another way. So they built a fort of blankets tall, with pillows stacked against the wall. They played with toys and sang a song, and watched the rain dance all day long. Soon the clouds began to part, the sunshine warmed each happy heart. Rain said goodbye, I'll see you soon, and left behind a bright rainbow bloom. Rain, rain, come again, you're our sky's best friend. Amen. Play, play, come on, lay, let's dance beneath the sun today. Peeked outside the door. Raindrops danced across the floor. They twirled umbrellas red and blue, and splashed in puddles one then two. Children peeked outside the door. Raindrops danced across the floor.